Hello, my name is Juliana Lescano. I'm in 6th grade.
My name is Jasmine Dablos. I am in 7th grade.
We are students at Los Laureles Educational Center.
And we are from Paraguay.
Okay, the first project is about recycle trash. As you can see here in the screen, is a trash, and you have to throw in the correct bin according to what appears on the screen. Here we have small trash bins that simulate the real ones, and you have to touch. Atajame un ratito.
Okay. Mientras seguía explicando.
And you have to touch this and put your finger in the correct bin for
You touch it?
like this.
And
¿No está conectado? Oh, sí.
No, sí está conectado. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. ¿Qué pasa? Justito ahora. Desconecta y conecta. Bueno, no funciona.
Okay, mientras hago
Sí, ya sé. Ahí está.
Okay. Uno nomás y ahora hacer la...
This is our project. The next project is about recycle trash. As you can see here, we have a tree. Parte de la planta final. As you can see, we have a tree, and this tree simulates the real one. And in the screen will appear a question about the part of the plant, and you have to touch in the correct part to answer the question. Where are the leaves? And the question is where are the leaves, and you have to touch the leaves to work. No está. Okay. This is my project, and she is going to show his project. This is a book and we use our classes.
So, this is a windmill. And here we have our interactive book that we use in our classes. So, we are going to use our interactive book to make the windmill work. We have foil paper that is a conductive material. So, when we close the book, justo ahora pico en... ¿Y vos no me diste? Julie, justo ahora no funciona. Okay, mientras explica el libro voy a tratar. Okay, and that's where it works because the foil paper is a conductive material. And now we are going to I'm going to explain the house. Okay, so here I have a house and I have a traditional fruit from India. And and when you touch the fruit, the light turns on because the fruit it's like wet. It has like water, and water is a conductive material also. Ahora vamos a hacerlo de las manos. Now we are going to prove that the human body works as an energy conductor. Okay, the human body is a conductive material, also because it allows electricity to flow working as a wire. Okay, ya está. We conclude our presentation saying that we use STEAM in our classes and it's a really fun way of learning and it helps students and teachers to be creative and work in teams. Thank you very much.